Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're showing you the train that's running between Spanish Town and Old Harbour. There you can see the train is up and running. Now this train doesn't carry passengers, it carries aggregate. I assume it's going to the port in Maypen, I'm not sure, Point Escovel. But guys, I want to ask you guys a question. Why is it taking so long to set back up the passenger train service in Jamaica? Guys, what do you think is the problem? Now, this is the Old Harbor train station. See, the lines are working, the lines are active. These lines carry the aggregate between Spanish Town and the port in Maypen. They carry students from Old Harbor to Spanish Town and back, and they have a few other routes. I think Bogwalk is another route. So the lines are active. They have engines that work. They have coaches that can carry the children. Why don't they open up the passenger train service from, say, even Old Harbor to Spanish Town to Bogwalk? I'm sure there's a line somewhere between Spanish Town and Portmore, and I just don't understand why it's taking so long. For instance, this route between Old Harbor and Spanish Town can carry aggregate. It can carry students. So why can't they get 5 or 6 more cars? And they have them parked up in Spanish Town. Why don't they carry passengers? Guys, what do you think is why they don't do it yet? No, the train is going to run. Let's talk about the student train. You have 3 cars to carry students between Old Harbor and Spanish Town. Why not connect back up 5 cars? Or if you have 7, connect 7 to the train has 10 cars. And the other 7 are passengers. Doesn't it cost the same, maybe a bit more because the engine is carrying more weight, but that's relative. So I'm curious. I just can't figure out why it's taking so long. And then the first passenger line that they plan to set up is for tourists between Montego Bay and Appleton. I think Spanish Town to Portmore, Portmore to Kingston, Kingston to Spanish Town. If they could get those lines up and running, it would make such a big difference in the movement of people around the Kingston metropolitan area. Well, I don't get it. How much could one of these train cars cost? You have the engine already, you have the track laid already. All you need is a more modern passenger car, and these old depleted train stations need to be demolished and proper structures built. So guys, what do you think is holding up the restoration of the train service for passengers? Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And I just want to point out, Jamaica had one of the first railway services in the Western Hemisphere. We have railway tracks running right across Jamaica from Port Antonio to Montego Bay, back to Mount Pelion, back to places in Westmoreland, along the south coast coming back. And the Jamaica Railway Corporation owns the land that these tracks are run on. So it's not a case where you have to buy land. The tracks are there. The land is there. Everything is there. And as we said at the beginning of the video, this line is active. Trains travel on this railway line, on this track. So guys, why do you think it's taking so long to get the train service for passengers back up and running? Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. We're actually getting on the highway by Old Harbor, and we're going to be heading towards Maypen on the highway. Alright guys, have a good day.